Hey guys, so tonight is day 3. So, as usual, I've already done my toner earlier. So, we are going to do a 6 peptides. So, this is a serum. So, I just want to share that yesterday when I was editing my day 2, it's like ang dami kong naiisip na mga ikikwento pa. So, alam mo yun, yung parang sabi ko, my videos are like 3 minutes before and then the next one is 6 minutes. So, yesterday, it feels like I can say uh, more topics while doing skincare. But now, since I've run errands earlier, I think I no longer have the energy to um, do some cuentos. So, yeah. So, since this is the third day, this is not it. So, tomorrow I will do the retinol. So, I'm still going to skip it for today because I've read that on your first week, it should be uh, every 3 days. And then on your second week, it should be on your every second day. So, ayan. Ayun. Wala akong makwento. Ano kasi. So, still maulan pa rin. Nakakaloka. And I did an errands earlier then. Bought some coffee and bought some iced coffee, Spanish latte. It's nice but not so super nice. Okay, so I've done my serum. So I think this video is gonna be short because I'm really sleepy and don't have the energy to tell some kwento. It's like, you're already on sleep mode. And so yeah, I'm now using my moisturizer. And then yesterday when I was editing, like since ang daming nangyayari, ang dami kong gustong sabihin, nakaka-motivate mag-vlog. Ayan, yun na lang yung kwento ko siguro. So, yesterday, when I was editing my day 2, parang nakakamiss magsalita in front of camera. Nakakamiss magkwento. Nakakamiss mag-share, especially if sanay ka na and exposed. So, way back on my trip to Taiwan, so, I've bought the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro for my Taiwan memories, like for a vlog. But I did a vertical type of videos, which is good for reels, but not really like this as a landscape for vlogs. And that's okay because my priority is just putting it on a highlight reel so that I can look back anytime on my Taiwan trip. So that was the first time that I'm seeing myself when recording because it has a screen on in front of the camera because the DJI is like 2 screens, right? So, ayun, nakaka-enjoy magsalita. So, parang that time, I think parang this is it. Pag-vlog na, ganun. Ayun, dumating naman yung time na medyo naging super busy so I can really do vlog. So, ayun. So, sorry, just to recap, I've already done my serum, then the snail mucin, and the moisturizer. So, sa baba kanina, kilamos ako using the facial wash and also did a toner. So, as per Google, the advice is after you wash your face, you're going to do the toner and then set it for at least 20 minutes on your face before applying any serum. But I think medyo 1 hour na ata yung lumipas. So, ayun. So, very humid pa din. So, going back dun sa kwento ko. So, bibilisan ko na lang para mas matulin kasi yun naman ang purpose nung video na to is just to document my skincare and also just a quick kwento. So, ayun nga, may lamok pa. Ang lakas kasi ng ulan. Anyway, So, ayun. So, I think the key para sipagin ako ulit is to really just do vlog. Since February pa yon and then August na, medyo nasanay na tayo na hindi tayo nagsasalita in front of camera because of a lot of errands na hindi naman natin need ng documentation. So, I think yun lang talaga yung susi. Kasi way back, I mean, way back when I was in Taiwan, it was a 4 days and 5 nights wherein there is a continuous video of vlogging and, you know, talking to camera, explaining the places that we've been through and also the experiences that we are experiencing on the tourist spots. So, nakakamiss lang. So, I think yun yung magiging ano. Kasi, tawag dito, yung time ngayon is, tawag dito, medyo kompleto na tayo when it comes to documentation. Like, just to share, I mean, kahapon nung naisip ko nga, nung nag-start ako nung editing, sabi ko, if you are going to, or if I'm going to talk to my 2019 self, so that was like pre-pandemic, ang parang goal ko lang nun is, I mean, that time, I have the location, and also I have I'm not gonna say the energy, because I still have the same energy, same as before. It's just that there are many responsibilities as of now, and the environment and economy change as well, and also the workplace. So way back noong 2019, so ang problem ko lang nun is the storage. So that storage, because my phone is like Samsung Galaxy A6, so I think 32 gig lang ata yung phone na yun. So it's really just the purpose of the phone is just for phone, like for texting and few documentations through Instagrams and Facebook, messengers, etc. But then pandemic came, so of course a lot of things happened. I mean, I was lucky to have a work from home setup way back for at least 6 months before going back to the office. I think I was the last batch on our work to go back to the office because of the pandemic. So then it was like that, and then we fast forward to 2021, which is the new normal. I think it's still part of the pandemic, but it is called as the new normal. And then a lot of things happened. Then 2022 came. I've got a new phone. Got a new phone upgrade, which is a really good camera. It's Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So it's good. It has the right storage for me. I think it's 256 gig. And I was documenting everything but I was really stressed at work. So, and also, I think it's not yet the norm of doing vertical reels until the late or mid 2022. So, nung nagsisimula pa lang nung time na yun, ang nangyari is, tawag dito, nag-uuso pa lang. And naka-update ako, nakakapaggawa ko ng reels, ganyan. Hindi pa masyadong exposure dun sa vlogging kasi dun pa lang din nauuso yung 0.5 shot. Wherein you are using the 0.5 wide lens camera of your phone and then just the Gen Z shot. That's it. And then, yeah. And then after sometime 2023, so I transferred to another work, and it becomes a work from home setup. So of course the location changed, and also the interest change. I think because the work from home is a different perspective to what is really on the site, because alam mo yun, mag-OOTD ka pag pupunta ka dun sa office, ganyan. And then pag sa work from home is pasok ka lang ng almost on time on the work. So ayun, so medyo na walan tayo ng kumbaga we are on our comfort zone. And ayun, and a lot of things happened during 2022, and I think I'm just going to share it on future videos. But yeah, and then 2024, 2025, I think yun yung pag-boom ng iba't ibang trends when it comes to Reels and also the TikToks. Although hindi ko pa siya natatry ngayon. And then, paiba-iba na kasi ng trend. So, I think 2024, 2025, doon na nag-boom yung mga affiliate wherein tawag dito lahat ng mga Reels na nakikita mo is for endorsement and also other marketing and especially 2026. So, ayun, a lot of things and a lot of current events are changing not changing the mood, but changing the game. So, more on like that. But then, I think almost kompleto na ako when it comes to my dream way back before to do a video. So, medyo na-develop yung confidence since nag-mature na ako. Nag-mature. So, na-develop yung confidence and also the gadgets that we needed. So, I've already had my ring light. I've already had a phone, a good phone, a much better phone. And also, I've had a editing tablet and also a working laptop. But it's just that the time. Like, alam mo yun, ang bilis lang mag-video and mag-document. But after you experience, ako pa man din is more on when there's an event, I lived on that event. Like, I document, but I also live the moment. So, after that, after mo ma-live yung moment, pagod ka na. So, and alam mong may responsibility ka pa the next day. So, ayun. That's my pep talk. So, maybe in the future, when I will watch this and maybe if my channel grow and maraming makapanood, so I hope that maybe one day I can hire an editor. If sobrang busy ko na talaga. So that, ayun, makapag-ayos na ng video. Because ang daming backlog. I actually have a more storage. I mean, on my new phone, I've had a 512 gig. I mean, it's still small, especially if you are doing videos pala. Kasi, of course, you want to document at a 4K, 60 frames per second. Because it's good for vlogging. And also, ayun na nga, yung front ka mo, may focus na siya. Let's say, for example, right? Okay. So, ayun. So, yun yung parang pinaka-struggle ngayon. Pero I think, and I hope that maybe doing these daily videos would help me nasipagin to do videos and also get in touch. Alam niyo naman mag-e-edit ako yesterday. Ang haba na nung video like parang mga nasa 7 minutes. And naisip ko na parang ang sarap mag-video kasi I'm seeing myself and I like the video. It's just that it's time consuming. So as much as possible, I try to allot a 30 minutes time when it comes to recording and also editing. So that, because that's the only time that I can give before sleeping. So, ayun. Anyway, so this is just to document it. I think pahaba ng pahaba. Every daily video, daming nasasabi. So, ayun. Maybe when I have the idea after this video, I can jot down all the list of topics that I want to address so that when I do recording, hindi ako mental block. So, ayun. And I hope, and also, just to stay on the current events, I hope that everyone is safe and stay dry. Kasi kawawa, sana magbago. Sana in the future, when I look back onto this video, nagbago na yung economy ng Philippines and also nagbago na yung mindset ng tao sa pagboto ng tama. Anyway, ayun. So, para lang update. So, today is day 3 of our retinol journey. So, tomorrow, I'm not sure kung tama yung bilang ko, pero, ayun. I think that should be the day 3 because day 1 is Sunday. Day 2 is Monday. Day 3 is Tuesday. And pang day 4, technically, yung retinol. And then yan. I've been using the vitamin C serum. I think I should concentrate. Medyo nag-struggle. Just to add, no. Medyo nag-struggle pa ako dun sa vitamin C serum because ang bilis niya pag na-drop mo siya is ganun. Anyway, for other topic na lang yun. Kasi humahaba na ng humahaba. Okay? So, yun. So, that's how it looks like. I've done. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye!